Hello friends, welcome to my worldly car list YouTube channel where I am showing you the best upcoming car news. So today I am going to share with you 2023 Nissan Murano SUV. But before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe. So guys, for 2022 the Nissan Murano received the little modification but a midnight edition option with the black exterior elements with the 20 inches black wheels and a lightened dorsal guard in now available. The SV model adds heated front seats with a fox leather upholstery as the only additional modification. So guys, the single engine available in the Nissan Murano which is combined with 3.5 liter V6 with a plenty of power, and the only drawback is that it's coupled to be continuously variable automatic gearbox transmission, which is called CVT transmission, and which take away all of the pleasures the mid-size SUV class, which included competitors to raw vehicles like Honda Passport, Hyundai Santa Fe, offer better value and practically. The 2022 and 3 Nissan Murano, which was once the appearance and avant-garde choice among mid-size to raw crossover, is on now merely coasting, and by on looks alone it's quite different and comfortable ride may appeal to drive. The mid-size SUV class, which included competitors to raw vehicles like the Honda Passport, Hyundai Santa Fe, offer better value and practically. So what's new for 2022? The 2022 Murano received little modification but a mid-size midnight edition with 20 inches black wheels. So guys, under the hood all Murano models is a 3.5 liter V6 engine generating around 260 horsepower with a front wheel drive is the standard version, but all wheel drive can be added to any trims. Both setups and utilize CVT. The last Murano we tested So guys, bury your foot in the throttle and exercise. Few Murano buyers will do frequently, and CVT spikes the engine revs and hold them there, resulting in a loud droning growl from under the hood. The Murano is in its element on long distance highway jaunts, and where the powertrain fades into the background and delivers a peaceful journey, and with a suspension tuned for a comfort. The Nissan Murano makes easy work of road trips, and its suspension dams out even the roughest pathless to deliver a smooth ride and counter a twisty ride, and the Murano will safely determine to you.